Ripe cacao pods harvested.
The machete penetrates the tough outer shell, cracking open the pod, revealing the white, sugary pulp and the wet cacao beans inside.
Turning for even fermentation. The fermented beans are ready for drying,
Let's get them spread thin for the sun.
aiming for 7.5% moisture.
The coffee beans are sent through a cleaning line with magnets and screens to remove debris.
Roasting begins. Roasting completed.
Roasting, flavor development. The beans change color from tan to dark brown. Time around 15 to 20 minutes, temperature over 100 degrees.
Rapid cooling halts roast and prepares beans for cracking. Avoids residual heat affecting downstream processes.
Winnowing. Removing shells.
Cocoa nibs cho. Nibs are 54–58% cocoa butter. They'll be ground into liquor.
Friction heat melts fat, forming a refined paste. Some systems refine further for extra smoothness.
Alkalization Dutch process. Alkalization darkens color and mellows acidity. Optional for certain recipes.
Pressing cocoa liquor, 550 bar.
Cocoa butter fat is filtered. Cake is broken for grinding.
Grinding cake into cocoa powder.
Cooling and stabilizing cocoa powder.
Batching, mixing ingredients. Batch ratio per recipe.
Correct it.
For dark chocolate, liquor, sugar, and butter only. Refining. Particle size reduction. Conching at 50–80 degrees Celsius for several hours promotes flavor development and volatile removal. After hours, acidity dissipates and texture is homogeneous. The tempering process involves heating and cooling the chocolate to create stable crystals, ensuring a perfect shine.
Tempered chocolate. Glossy, crisp.
Molding into bar shapes.
Bars ejected from molds.
Checking color uniformity, gloss, no air holes. Rejecting.
Good, 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 good.
in transit to market.
Bar unwrapped.
Crisp snap. Proper temper.
Wow. Oh, that's just a flavor experience. Certification labels. Look for the USDA Organic, Fair Trade, and Kosher Pareve stamps. These verify quality and ethical source.
Used in desserts.
Try this dark one.
Wow, it melts in your mouth.
I want the caramel one.
Brand name. Indulgence. Naturally.